Good girl. Thank you. It's a bit soggy, isn't it, already? Steady. Steady, Bella. Steady. 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 And trot. 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 Yeah, it's a bit slow on the coming back to trot there, Bella. Need to be a bit quicker than that. And I was using the rein as well. Hello there. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hey, so you've got a beautiful trot, Bella. That was good, wasn't it? Slow. Slow, Bella, slow. Good girl. Hello. Well, thank you. Oh dear, it's going down back of my neck already. Walk. Walk, Bella. Walk. Just going to zip my coat up. Good girl. Very nice movement away from the leg Bella has when she's not in the menage. Because sometimes she does her own thing, doesn't she, and puts her bottoms in or out or whatever. But if I ask her to move across from the middle of the road onto a bit of grass, I don't have to use any rein. She just goes very gently over with the pressure of the leg slightly back from the girth. So that's very nice. Very pleased at such a young age. That's very good. If only she could get the rest of it. That would be brilliant, wouldn't it, Bella? Because she could be a fantastic dressage horse for somebody. Not that I'm selling her or anything, but I don't do dressage, as you know. So she's never going to be a fantastic dressage for me because I don't do it. But I do like a nicely schooled horse, so it will be good. So I just ask her to go across there. You see there's no movement of the head at all, just straight across. That was good, girl. No, just trot in. I know we're on grass, but we're not going to canter on every piece of grass we see. Because she's one of those horses that would just decide, well, it's grass and we're off. So we have to set a precedent early on that it's just because it's grass doesn't mean we're cantering off. No, as much as I love cantering, as you know. And of course Bella loves it most of all. Very nice. Weight in the rein, not too little, not too much, not pulling, not throwing her head about, up, down, sideways. We did have one toss of the head when I was, when she went into, when she didn't want to come to trot. I don't know if you noticed. Or when I think it was actually when she was trying to go too fast in the canter, and I asked her to slow her down. She didn't like that, so she threw up her head so she could get more rein. Didn't you, Bella? Because you thought that you want to do what you want to do. Good girl. We'll just walk on here. Good girl. It's a little bit gravelly. So I don't like the gravel on her bare feet. Hello. You're lucky just coming back when I'm just setting off. Very good. She's just nicely walking now. She's not doing the jig jog she was earlier on. So that's very nice, Bella. Good girl. Yes. can even look, you can just see she's not jigging and she's walking really nicely. I'm not going to do a free walk on a long rein yet. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. We love reading the comments, we love emojis, and we'd love a thumbs up.